All right, what is going on, everyone? Crypto Mac here, bringing you guys another crypto video. Today, we're going to be looking at Fet or Fetch.ai. Just want to do a quick update as Bitcoin's performing very well, and it seems like a lot of the market is just lagging behind. So we should see a lot of altcoins start to catch up in the next few hours, I think. Just want to say this is not financial advice, so please do your own research. So looking at Fet, we can see. Let's just start with the short term. We can see we broke out twice to the downside here, and we broke out once here. So 3 breakouts to the downside. The good thing is that every single one was a fake out and we came straight back in. All 3 of them, and this one just happened in the past few hours. We broke back into this triangle, which is really good. We've also had a couple fake outs to the upside as well. So it's not the cleanest triangle, but it's just because of the way Fet kind of moves. It wicks out a lot. Very up and down movements with Fet. So we're back in the triangle, which is really good. Just to give another look on what would happen if we can get a breakout to the upside for Fet. This is what we're looking at. We're looking at $1.47. Obviously that first line of resistance is going to be the previous all-time high at $1.19, $1.20, and then up here to $1.40, $1.45 to the next target zone. So as of the moment, we want to just break out of this triangle to the upside is the plan. So getting back in the triangle is really good. We could come back down and just test the line of support. We don't have to. It's just going to depend on what Bitcoin does. I mean, Bitcoin, just have a quick look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's gone from the low here of 53,400 and now it's at 57,500. So it shows the strength with Bitcoin. It's doing really well. So it's very good. And the other thing to look at, let me just get up the Bitcoin falling wedge. I think I have it here. So here's a falling wedge for Bitcoin, which we were in. I just posted on my Twitter. If you're not following my Twitter, it's in the link in the description. Go give it a follow. I talked about this. We just broke out, so it's gonna be something to look at. It's not going to be a direct run. Mind you, the target here is up at 68,000, right? It's not going to be a direct run to 68,000, even though I'd love that to happen. I think it might be a slow move. It's probably going to require a confirmation of the breakouts to come back down, test this line of support, and then go up from there. Or we could just start to move up, but it could take place over weeks or even a month or 2 to get back up to this level. Or it could just be a fake out and we could come back in. I'm optimistic, I'm bullish, I don't think that will happen. So I'm not too worried about that. But if Bitcoin decides to go further to 58,000, 59, 60k, I think we'll just see a direct run from Fet back up to this line, exactly as we saw here. Right, we broke down and within 4 days, we were breaking out to the upside, which is a 47% move. It's pretty big. And just the move just looked very similar to this move. What we're seeing at the moment, it seems very similar to this. If we take this and have a look, bring it across, something like this. So this would mean it would come down and maybe test that line of support if it's to follow. But this line down looks very similar, and the line back up very similar as well. It's just down and then up, and then yeah, confirm the breakout, and off we go and break out to the upside. So I could be doing another video on Fet in 2 days, and we could be up here at this level, just wicked out. And the idea behind that is if we're wicked out, well, I'll be hoping that we hold the line as support. That's the next thing. But obviously it's happened a few times, but we haven't done that. So hopefully we could come down, test this line of support, and then actually just break out and head off. And as I said, $1.20 or $1.40 are our 2 main targets. Break the all-time high is obviously going to be massive for Fet. That'd be really good. So that's what I'm looking at. We may as well have a look at Ethereum quickly, because this is important, obviously, what Bitcoin and Ethereum are doing. We can see Ethereum's holding this line really well and it's had a good run. It's actually like not gone down that much. Ethereum, it's held pretty good, about 18%, which is really solid. It's not gone down that much, but enough to say that we can now start to move back up. So yeah, trading to 4,300 is pretty good. Holding this line, really solid. So Ethereum might start to run as well. I'll just be watching Bitcoin over the next few hours, days, and see what it does. See if it wants to go higher than 57,500 where it's at the moment. So let me know what you think Fet's going to do. As I said, I think if Bitcoin decides to go a little bit higher, we could see a direct run from Fet. Maybe quick confirmation of the line, or just come down a little bit, confirm it, and then just head off, go up, and we could see a wick out at the top here for sure. So let me know what you think Fet will do. Please like the video, subscribe, comment, share the video with friends, and I'll see you later, guys. Enjoy.